Hello guys, welcome back in another tutorial of the Flutter. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create circular progress indicator and linear progress indicator. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we are going to open our Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio, you can use Android Studio if you want. Here I am going to create the class of stateful. I'll name it loading screen. In the build section, I'll return a container with a child of column. I also want to add the height and width, so I come here and add a height of double dot infinity and width of double dot infinity 2. I also want some padding here, so I'll add 16 padding here. I want our children of the column to be centrally aligned in the horizontal, and in the vertical I want it to space it evenly. For that I use main axis alignment dot space evenly, and for cross axis alignment I will use center. Okay, column also requires children, and our first child would be circular progress indicator. That's it. This is the whole story of this tutorial. By writing only this, we will be able to show the progress indicator on our screen. Let's call this in home and run our app. There's a emulator. Here's our emulator. As you can see now, this is the progress indicator which we get by default, but this is useful when we want to show some loading while calling APIs or refreshing data, etc. But what if you want to show a progress, like something is loading with percentage? So what we can do here? For that we have determinate version of the circular progress indicator. In that we provide the value and the progress will be done accordingly. For example, if I add value here of 0.5 and rerun our app, you see it is 50% of the total area. If I make it 75, it will cover 75% of the progress. Okay, we can also change the color if you want, like we can change it by adding color here. See, the color is changed now. Okay, I'm just removing this. I'm going to create another circular progress with the color green, and here I am going to add a progress. For that I am going to create a variable with the name, sorry, not here, var progress equals 0.0, and here I am going to create a function start progress. I am going to make it asynchronous because I want this function to run asynchronously. Okay, inside this I am going to create a loop of which will run from 1 to 100. I just want you to see the progress. Here I am going to add a little delay. For that I am going to add await future dot delete with duration of milliseconds 100. After that I'll set state and change the progress to I dot 2 double divided by 100. Now I am going to add this variable inside our second progress, and here I am going to add it. So what is going on here is basically I have created a variable. This variable is going to change. If we talk about the real scenario, here we could have a percentage of the downloading. If you are downloading a video, you can add the percentage variable here, and as soon as the progress of that download is increasing, and if you are using set state, then and on every new value this variable will be changed, and the changes will be appeared on this circular progress indicator. Okay, so let's rerun our app. Okay, we didn't call this function. I will call it in init state. Okay, so as you can see now, with every delay of 100 millisecond, we are completing this cycle of the progress. So this is basically the circular progress. We can also make linear progress indicator. Not everyone likes circular progress, someone likes linear progress indicator also. And if I run this, you can see this is the linear progress. We can change its height by 16. As you can see now, its height is different now. One thing I forgot in the circular progress indicator is we can also add the background color here. We can add gray color here, and if I rerun the app, you will see both the background color and the progress color inside the circular progress. Okay, so now let's come to the linear progress. We can also change color here, like we can give it the color of pink. You can also change the background color. And if I create a linear progress indicator with values with the same value, because this progress will be updating every after every 100 milliseconds. Let's see run our app and see this and this both have the same variable inside values. That's why they are both in sequence. Okay, I can change the minimum height of 16, and if I rerun the app, so that was all for today. Thank you so much guys. I hope you have liked the video. If you do, please give a like to this video and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries or any concerns, you can tell me it in the comment section. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next.